Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the contract management template. We'll start by hiding the top ribbon to have more space. Perfect. First, let's go into the settings page. Great. This allows you to select your language and set up data rules, such as the duration categories, the contract value categories, the contract type, the periodicity, and the status. Let's go into the Translation tab. Here, we can see we have 3 languages available: English, French, Portuguese. A fourth section will allow you to set up a new language. Simply translate all the expressions listed, go back into the settings page, and select the Another Language option. Next, the Responsible section. This is where you enter the list of persons in charge of the contracts. We'll add a new one. We'll call him Bob Marley. Great. Let's move on to the contract database. This is the main data input section, where you enter the list of contracts and their corresponding details. Let's set up a new one together. We'll enter the contractor name, select a contract type, enter a dummy phone number, dummy email, select a periodicity, enter a contract value, a signature date, an effective date. We'll leave the due date, duration, and delay sections blank, as they auto-calculate based on the information we've previously entered. Finally, we'll set up a person in charge. Let's set up our new responsible, Bob Marley, and indicate if it has been renewed and how many times. We'll leave it blank. Finally, we'll set it as active. Awesome! We're now ready to look at the results. We'll start by the dashboard overview. First thing to do is to hit the button Refresh to ensure the latest data is shown on the dashboard. Perfect. You'll find right under that a filter allowing you to select the year you want to report on. The dashboard first displays main metrics. We have the number of contracts, their value, the number of renewed contracts, their value, the average ticket value, and the bounce rate, which is the number of contracts that were not renewed. Further down, we have a breakdown of contracts based on different variables: the contract by type, in numbers and in value, the contracts by responsible, in numbers and values, the contract by periodicity, in numbers and values, and the active contracts ratio, once again in number and values. Moving on to the monthly dashboard. This dashboard can be filtered by year and by status. Let's look at year 2021. We can first see the number of contracts by month and their corresponding value. Further down, we have the total number of contracts per duration and the number of contracts by value range. Finally, let's go to the expiration alerts. This report lists all contracts and allows you to filter by multiple fields, such as the contract status, the type of contract, the periodicity, the month, the year, and the person in charge. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about our contract management template, and you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!